At Durham College, we're here to help our students cultivate the skills, creativity, and passion to become accomplished culinary professionals and entrepreneurs. Our curriculum blends classic techniques to support Red Seal training with innovation in our state-of-the-art kitchen labs. You'll explore international cuisine, vegetarian and vegan cooking, butchery and charcuterie, cheese making, baking and pastry, retail and quantity food production, and much, much more.
As someone with a limited culinary background going into this program, I've learned so much, including knife skills, seasoning and flavoring, food costing and menu planning, and how to run a successful kitchen. I love the personal, hands-on approach at DC.
At the W. Galen Weston Center for Food, we're located on a 3-acre urban farm, and we really embrace field to fork. You'll get a chance to prepare DC-grown produce in our labs and at Bistro 67, our award-winning restaurant serving the public. There are so many opportunities to develop your skills in the real world, from field placements that will help you connect with employers and build references, to fun extracurricular opportunities like cooking competitions and faculty-led trips abroad.
When I step into class, I always feel welcomed. Every chef and faculty member takes the time to help you understand the skill you're learning, and they encourage us to ask questions. This program has taught me to take on challenges and to excel to the best of my abilities.
With a Durham College diploma in your hands, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to be a leader in the kitchen, start your own food business, or take on the culinary world in new and exciting ways. Ready to embrace your future? Apply today.